Your business is constantly evolving. To keep up, you need a total document solution that fits how you do business and can grow with your business needs. The Kyocera TASKalfa 406 CI series. This new series combines the robust features of a larger device with the easy integration, smaller footprint, and flexibility of a compact MFP. Features include efficient business performance in a compact footprint, a 7-inch or 4.3-inch color touch panel with tablet-like display, a standard 600-sheet paper capacity that can be expanded up to 3,100 sheets to support longer jobs and different types of media, optional finishing including a 300-sheet internal and 1,000 or 3,200-sheet external, with staple and hole punch for professional output, vivid color quality and crisp output at up to 1200 dpi resolution, Kyocera business applications and third-party partner software that helps you enhance your workflow while increasing productivity, mobile solutions for printing and scanning on the go, USB print from and scan to functionality, enhanced security including private print and user authentication, and a tiered color system and programmable energy-saving features to keep costs under control. It's all the options you want and the innovations you expect at the size your office space allows, with room to grow. Now that's good business.